Hello, guys. Good morning. I moved into the hostel yesterday, and yeah, so it's literally the next morning. Like basically indoors today. Yeah, to round off some of my online classes and to recover from the stress. Yesterday's stress was like, whew, it was something else. And one funny thing that happened yesterday is I literally did all my work in like using a torchlight and using my phone lights, using my lamp, thinking there was no bulb in the room. I was thinking one of my roommates would have kept the bulb or something. Because when I checked, there was no bulb. I was thinking it's like every other regular bulbs at home and all of that. So I didn't even remember that my bulb in the hostel here wasn't having a cover or something like that. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So I was just thinking there's no bulb all the time I came. Did my arrangement using torchlights. I did my cleaning. I cleaned up the room, the dusty room, and all of that. Oh, guys, it was a whole lot of work. I did all of it in the dark using my torch anyway. So that was basically it. So till I think around 10 I got so tired. I already had my bath and I had to take something. I went downstairs to the canteen to buy something, to buy water and drink and just basically snacks. So I took it. It was while eating that I realized that this bulb doesn't really have a cover like every other bulb. So I just have to go and switch on the lights, and lo and behold, it was so bad that after all the work, that was when I realized that the bulb wasn't having a cover. It was an experience yesterday. But anyways, thank God for everything. So, guys, I hope to take you along my day today. Just come along with me today. Like, seriously, I haven't done a really serious vlog, like vlogging my hostel in my so today is going to be the first day. Actually, I do hope it makes sense at the end of the day. So yeah, I'm already up now from the bed, and I want to try get something to eat. I already went downstairs to get a bowl. I got this custard container where I turned my rice, and so yes, I'll be vlogging around today. Just enjoy my day with me today. Actually, I'm the only one around now, so my roommates, they are yet to resume, see their beds, check around. So yeah, they are yet to come around. So let me just I better make good use of this time that I'm alone, because I know that once everybody start coming one after the other, the room will get crowded, noisy, now hostel life. So this is time for me to think, to strategize, to just plan out some strategies I hope to work with this semester as well. So yeah, already laid my bed. See my little my small abode. Yeah, my fan is not here yet because I haven't cleaned it. I was too tired yesterday to do that. So I told you guys I did a lot of cleanups. This room was so dusty as at yesterday, so I had to do a massive cleanup. You can see the floors. So you can see everywhere is tidied. So I needed to do a massive cleanup. So see my fan there. So hopefully later in the day I'll clean it up and put it somewhere here. Yeah, beside my pillows. or I prefer it that way. Yes, so you don't get to just stay directly above my head, you get. So that's it. So let me just do a little arrangement here to my cupboard, my stuffs. Yep. So I'm just going to hang these bags. So my system there, my ring light. So life of a student. Yep. So this is my cupboard. Basically, this is where I keep my clothes. I hang my clothes, like, so my luggage is underneath my bunk. So just spreading out some clothes here, so I don't get to open my box every time. I really don't have much to, so just my bags, my books. Yeah, though the cupboard is not well arranged, but for now this is the best I can do. I'm so tired. Maybe I'll rearrange it later. So this is basically where I keep my books, and yeah, my skin and hair products, my perfumes and all of that. So this is where I keep my food stuff. You guys should be ready to spend the day with me. I'll be bringing a lot of interesting stuff today. So if you guys haven't subscribed, please do well to hit the subscribe button and subscribe. Support your girl, support your Nigerian student. Okay, I hope to bring a lot of interesting content even while in school. Yeah, I posted a lot of videos when, like, during the holiday. I was able to do a lot of DIYs, so you can check my other videos. Yeah, so I do hope to bring a lot of interesting stuff even while in school. So stick around and let's journey together. Yeah, do feel free to reach out to me via the comment section. Anything you want me to feature, like any video suggestion, please write it there in the comment section. Video suggestion, question, comments, anything at all, just feel free to express yourself on the comment section. I'll be there to read through and respond. Okay, so I think my meal this morning, I mentioned it before. I think I mentioned it before. I'm making noodles. Yeah. Okay, come along with me. Let's cook together. See my own style of cooking with me. Hey, see the rich I used to put. Some people like fish in their noodles. Oh my gosh. Well, 3 major sauces that makes my noodles. Pepper. Pepper more than the spice they do. Just a little more pepper, and onions, then crayfish. Yes, if those things are available, my indomie don't complete, my noodles is complete already. Then I can now proceed to add other stuff like egg, vegetables sometimes, and all of that. So that's basically it. So yeah, so join me to cook my noodles. Okay guys, I have to go and fetch some water to cook. So see my buckets, my cooking buckets. That's where I'll be going to get water. So I have to come downstairs to get water. See my hostel. At a glance, this hall too. And yeah, if you're a university student, you know what else is. What am I doing? I'm playing. So I'm gonna get water to cook my noodles. So come along with me. Okay, let's go there. So guys, here's my noodles. Yeah, one Indomie super pack. So I'm okay with one Indomie super pack. So except I'm very hungry, I can eat 1.5 or 2. Two will be too much for me. So guys, let me know how many Indomie packs fills your stomach, okay? If you're a lover of Indomie like me. So I don't think I can ever get tired of Indomie, like seriously, of noodles, okay? So we always used to calling every noodles Indomie because Indomie has come to like be a household name like that, okay? So yeah, pardon me if I'm always saying Indomie. Yeah, it's noodles. So these are my recipe today. So I'll go ahead and put the noodles into my boiling water. Almost ready. Yeah. So here is my finished product. My Indomie noodles is ready. Come on, join me. So I'm about to consume. This my crayfish are looking so tempting. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Those of you that don't like putting crayfish in your noodles, you're amazing. You are amazing a lot. Oh my god. So let's get digging. Come on, join me. So come join me by digging in. Digging in. Come on, join me. Okay. So this noodle is spicy, kind of too spicy, but still okay. I don't like my noodles so dry. Yeah. So for me, Indomie has been a kind of lifesaver. I love Indomie, like seriously. I can never get tired. And I like taking it hot. Don't give me a cold Indomie. Don't give me a cold noodles. You lose the taste and like Welcome. How was your holiday? Oh my gosh.
So you were the first to come?
Yes, so
you slept alone here?
Yeah. You're definitely going to find it now. So long as it's in this room.
Now. First of like after soon as long now. Still work with this. After we